Hey guys, welcome back. We're cleaning up these log cabins here, all wood. You can see we already got this one over here all set. We got metal roofs on them. The metal roofs are actually all new. We're down in Bourne, Massachusetts, in the Cape, actually right before the bridge. Yeah, you can see the big difference in these here. Looking good. Alright, let them finish that up. And go check it over here, guys. Our booster pump here, Charlie valve, going on at 6%, guys. Alright, turn this pressure washer on, be all set. Alright guys, got the M5 twist on here. I turn this here. You really want to rinse these down good. We're actually bringing our own water. We're filling up actually, not really bringing our own water. We're filling up and using that 8-gallon, getting this all rinsed down nice. Get our windows nice and wet. Yeah, I got Callum over there. He's working on that other cabin. And I think we only got 2 more after this section here. And we already did 5 up above and 5 smaller ones than these. We'll actually take a video of that and check those ones out just in a minute. All right. Yeah. I got the shooter tip on there, shooting that gutter fascia soffit area. Yeah, turning right away, looking good. Getting those beams good, looking really nice. Then we just have to get up in that ceiling a little bit and be all set. Be right back. Right. Yeah, in there with the fan spray, get that whole ceiling in there. That's looking good, guys. This is what it was looking like, if you don't remember. Now here we go, right here. We zoom in. Things looking nice.